accelerate your growth mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and physically. Everything is connected and it is all intertwined. Once you clear and align your energy centers or the breakers in your body, and then make sure the wiring coming out of those breakers is clear, unobstructed, and not overheating, then everything starts to work properly and the body can work as it was meant to. The breakers are the chakras and the wiring is your meridians, as you can see from these two charts here. As your energy begins to flow freely once more, stagnant energy gradually dissolves, allowing trapped emotions to surface. This process enables you to acknowledge and release them, restoring balance. Much like peeling back the layers of an onion, it reveals the blockages accumulated over time at various levels of your energy field and body, barriers that have disrupted the natural harmony and movement of your energetic flow. Sometimes the only things that can become blocked. Are your veins and arteries the only pathways that can get clogged? Not at all. When an intense emotion or trauma becomes trapped, it disrupts the energetic flow in that area, creating imbalance. Over time, this stagnant energy begins to affect the corresponding part of the body, gradually interfering with its natural function. What starts as energetic disharmony can eventually manifest physically, transforming dis-ease into disease. Certain emotions are related to certain parts of the body, and certain frequencies are related to certain emotions. Emotions have frequencies and can be measured in your voice. Analyzing the frequencies in your voice can tell you what issues you have in your body. And from there, you can start to balance those frequencies, which balances the energy in that area, which breaks down the blocks and clears the energy. Then it starts to work properly again, and your body can continue to work out the remaining kinks. You can see here there's a frequency of humans chart, an inner voice report from AOScan, an emotional frequency scale. The faster you take action, the quicker you can start making positive changes to improve your life. When your energy flows freely, your mind and body sync effortlessly. With that harmony, your emotions find their rhythm, and spiritually, you feel more aligned than ever. It's all connected, and everything is energy.